Another one of the SKAARHOJ signature technologies is LED bars, and we use them in many ways for many purposes. Of course we do so because we have universal controllers, but let me show you. The most common type of LED bar in our products actually doesn't look like an LED bar, but it has 3 LEDs inside and we use it for multiple things. And one of them is when you have a multiple state shift key, or let's call it a paging key, like on the Minifly, you use it to indicate which state you're on. So right now you see no light in the LED bar, but when I press on the right side of the shift key, you see that it lights up the first LED, then the next LED, then the next LED again. And each time I do this, I can go back, by the way, because this is a 4-way button. I'm paging through different things in these 6 buttons up here. Also, you see the same type of LED bars are found under those buttons, indicating tally. But I think tally is a more powerful example on the PTZ Extreme over here. On the PTZ Extreme, we use the LED bars as tally indicators. So the little known secret about the PTZ Extreme here is that apart from working with the Panasonic UE150 and the Vadio NDI camera, it also connects to the ATEM switcher over there. It doesn't need GPOs or anything to send a signal into. We actually connect to the ATEM switcher and then we read the state of the program and preview bus and puts it on the LED bar right there. So I'll show you. You can see on the LED bars that as I am changing my input source on my video switcher, you see this is also changing on the PTZ Extreme, and as I'm cutting, you see red and green is swapping place. That is so helpful for a PTZ operator that he knows if the camera he has his operating is on air or if it is not. The second type of RGB LED bar you find in our products is a 10-segment LED bar, and you find it in, for instance, the RCP. So when you look at the iris joystick here, you can see the LED bar will indicate the level of the iris. Same is true for the RCP over here. And on the color fly, naturally for the flying faders, you have an LED bar just next to it that shows you the level. That's an intensity level. The color fly is used to adjust iris on camera, so it shows the intensity. A lovely way to use the small LED bars is for confidence monitoring. So look at this master key 1 where we have assigned buttons to adjust input sources. These are 4-way buttons adjusting the input source, and we see on the LED bar just beneath the audio levels of those inputs. So we know if they are peaking, for instance, and we can turn them down. So in this case, I can adjust the input source so that it's just lighting up green and not yellow. So the bigger brother of the confidence monitoring on the small LED bars is of course the large LED bars, and you find them on the waveboard panel where they are configured to tell you the audio level of the input sources adjusted by these flying faders. And as you can see, I'm changing banks, and those LED bars are following along with the faders, of course. So that, my friends, is LED bars in the SKAARHOJ universe and how many ways you can use them. We are looking forward to knowing from you how you intend to use it, what ideas you have for using them. So send us an email. We would love to hear from you.